Today, another topic that we are going to discuss in second chapter of GFC is rural development. Rural development means it's a process of improving the quality of life and economic well-being of people in rural areas, especially living in populated and remote areas. Means population where is high population and remote areas means where the poverty line is below the poverty line, where people are living poor, and for them improving quality of life and financial well-being of people is called rural development. The definition of rural development, and rural means here pallalu or villages, development means edugudala, means usually the rural people will be in poverty and unemployment. Mostly they are poor people and unemployed people. The people in the rural areas are deprived means lacking or kolpovodam of basic communities. Basic amenities means facilities, basic facilities of life also they won't be having, that is like food, clothing and shelter and education. The people in the rural areas won't be having due to poverty or unemployment. And the root causes means the causes of this lacking of basic amenities or poverty and unemployment. Rural development of rural areas and upliftment means how to improve the quality of life of them and living conditions of rural people, and through eradication is complete avoiding of rural that is living conditions can be possible by various agencies or or doing rural development. And the various agencies in rural development that we are going to see in next page. Rural development is a complete term that concentration on action taken for the development of rural areas. Means whatever the government will be taking action to develop the rural areas and improve the village economy, means financially also improving village economy. However, few areas that demand more focused attention and new initiatives are education. Means the government in which areas are focusing in rural areas means that is to improve that is to develop the rural areas means education, and also public health and sanitation, women empowerment, infrastructure development means electricity, irrigation, roads. These are all developing by the government, and also facilities for agriculture extension and availability of credit, employment opportunity. And the focus is main on these areas, that is to improve the quality of life of people, and that is to avoid the poverty and unemployment in rural areas. Role of agencies in rural development means the government under certain agencies which will be developing rural areas. 5-year plans means which is initiated by 5-year plans which are initiated by government of India. Under 5-year plans means there is a plan in between these years. Some of the programs will be initiated by the government of India. Those plans, 5-year plans, are first to 5-year plan is between 1951 to 1956. That is under the government of India started community development program was launched in that first to 5-year plan, and second 5-year plan 1956 and 1961. In between that years, emphasis on rural industry to increase employment. Next, third 5-year plan, that is from 1961 to 1966, and the government gave importance for agriculture. And fourth to 5-year plan, that is from 1969 to 1974, the main aim is poverty alleviation, that is to avoid complete poverty in rural areas. That is the 4 to 5-year plans. Whatever this 5-year plans were started by the government of India. Fifth to 5-year plan, that is from 1974 to 1979, implemented rural development programs. Next, the 6th to 5-year plan, that is from 1980 to 1985, eradication of poverty is primary aim in 6th to 5-year plan, and implemented certain programs like NREP, RLEGP and TRYSCM and Dwakra, and these are the rural development programs which are initiated by Government of India, that is in 6th to 5-year plan. Next to 7th 5-year plan, which is started from 1985 to 1990. Concern is growth of employment opportunities, means mainly they improve, that is growth of employment opportunity, and infrastructure development also they undertaken in 7th 5-year plan, and increase productivity in agriculture and removal of inequalities and food security, and these are certain aims of 7th 5-year plan. Next, 8th 5-year plan, that is from 1992 to 1997. The faster economic growth is the aim of economic growth in rural areas is the aim of 8th 5-year plan. Next to the 9th 5-year plan, that is from 1997 to 2002, generate adequate productive employment opportunities and complete eradication of poverty is the main aim of 9th 5-year plan. And these are the 5-year plans. Under 5-year plans concern in rural development of rural areas, the people in these areas are deprived of basic communities. 5-year plans main aim is to avoid there is poverty and unemployment. And under these 5-year plans, there are certain programs are initiated, and from 1956 onwards, the 5-year plans are started. And the basic amenities of life also won't be having for the poor people, that is like food, clothing, shelter, etc. The main cause for this is poverty and unemployment. Already we discussed, that is main cause of lacking basic amenities or poverty and unemployment. To improve the living conditions of rural people, especially those who are living below the poverty line, the government has been undertaking many rural development programs. Means many rural programs, development programs were initiated by Government of India through several agencies such as Swarna Jayanti Gram Swaraj Yojana. These are some of the programs which is initiated by Government of India to alleviate or to avoid poverty and unemployment in rural areas and for development of rural areas. And Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana, Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana. Here Swarna Jayanti Gram Swaraj Yojana is started. The program is started for self-employment for poor people. Means the government gave self-employment, means వ్యాపార పెట్టించడం రూరల్ ఏరియాస్లో పూర్ పీపుల్కి, దీని యొక్క ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ యొక్క ఎయిమ్. అండ్ జవహర్ గ్రామ్ సమృద్ధి యోజన, దిస్ ఈజ్ గివింగ్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఫర్ పూర్ పీపుల్, మీన్స్ ఏదైనా జాబ్స్ ఇవ్వడం, ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ మీన్స్ జాబ్స్ ఇవ్వడం ఫర్ పూర్ పీపుల్, this program. Next, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana is giving loans for unemployed people and women for self-employment. ఏదైనా వ్యాపారం, సెల్ఫ్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ మీన్స్ ఏదైనా వ్యాపారం స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి లోన్స్ అనేవి ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది అండర్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, దట్ ఈస్ ప్రధాన మంత్రి గ్రామోదయ యోజన. The government from time to time has been allocating huge amounts for the efficient functioning of these programs. ఈ programs హ్యూజ్ అమౌంట్స్ ఆఫ్ మీన్స్ చాలా అమౌంట్స్ ఆఫ్ మనీ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది ఫర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫంక్షనింగ్కి అండ్ ఫర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ with the main objective of eradicating poverty and unemployment. The main objective of these programs is to eradicating complete avoiding of poverty and unemployment in rural areas. Whatever these agencies, here agencies means programs, and the government has main role including providing self-employment in rural areas. Means ఏదైనా వ్యాపారం పెట్టించడం, by that the government can alleviate the poverty and unemployment, and to bring overall improvement of quality of rural life. Means rural people life ని క్వాలిటీని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయడం అండ్ బేసిక్ కమ్యూనిటీస్ నీడ్స్ ఆర్ బేసిక్ నీడ్స్ని రీచ్ అయ్యేటట్టు చేయడం దీని ఒక ఎయిమ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ సెక్టర్, reducing the severity of impact of drought. Drought means కరువు. ఏదైనా కరువు ఉన్నప్పుడు The karuvu means here prolonged period that is low rainfall అనేది ఉండదు, prolonged period of people, so by that shortage of water also will be there in that particular area. అప్పుడు అగ్రికల్చర్ కూడా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. అలా ఇంపాక్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అండ్ నెసెసరీ స్ట్రాటజీస్ విల్ బి టేకెన్ అండ్ ఏదైనా అవసరమైన యాక్షన్ విల్ బి టేకెన్ ఫర్ అవాయిడింగ్ దట్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ మీన్స్ కరువు అండ్ టు ఎంపవర్ ద యూత్ని ఎంపవర్ చేయడం. ఎంపవర్ మీన్స్ గివింగ్ పవర్ టు ద యూత్ టు పార్టిసిపేట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్లీ ఇన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ రూరల్ ఏరియాస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇనిషియేటివ్గా తీసుకునేటట్లు చేయడం అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రూరల్ పీపుల్కి రీచ్ అయ్యేటట్టు చేయడానికి యూత్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకోవడం అండ్ యూత్ని పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసేలా కూడా చేపించడం ఈయన యొక్క అంటే ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ యొక్క మెయిన్ ఎయిమ్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎయిమ్ ఆర్ గోల్. And this is a rural development programs. By that programs we can the government can alleviate the poverty and unemployment and illiteracy also. Illiteracy means lack of education లేకపోవడం, and this is a rural development.